Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when you come for you? This is a video about people doing stupid stuff and getting pulled over by the law. And here's your first stupid driver. And here's your first bad boy. Bad boy, got you. And coming up here next is your stupid truck driver that likes to not leave enough room when he cuts over. He just cuts right over in front of you. As you can see, the sign said do not pass, lane ending. There's your other stupid truck vehicle right there. And here's another bad boy. A box truck got him. Got him, got him, got him. At first, I thought this was just construction where they were working on the bridge, but actually, a flatbed hauling some kind of tank looked like he hit the bridge and knocked it off. When you get up here to the top, if you look to the left, I didn't quite catch it. You can see the flatbed there where they're loading it back onto his truck. You look to the left right here, and then on up here a little piece, you can see pieces that scattered once he hit it. There's some more debris there. So I guess he forgot how high he was stacked. Where it come loose, I really don't know. Didn't look like the bridge was damaged, but you never know.